bia dia sumvie o masitsam ne man na obi biara nti ana mo nya adwe pamfa mo man Ghana na Ghana for ye nya mo bone wo ko jiska na jo a ewia ne anopa Captain Smart papa wani ase no I said wo de o ya konkru no oposo apofo ayabo pa ramfo Captain Smart pa ramfo a wagia the answer say wo kata wani na wo tunya men nyom de go so eba mpa eguso na obesu be stu Captain Smart be su there is one say so wo su Captain Smart enye so papa so chinchim ani ase be mo chinchim na ani ase su ebe su trust tu edigu Ghana so wa we asa de we na for dance Captain Smart aya ho ton Ghana for egusa unti aya ho ton say no wanu mo fo oba be fo de sense Captain Smart so wa nya adwen bone unu ofosu ampofo no mo wi di sam na mo shana na joa who could get bribe? Who sorry? Who call papa? We could not office to cut down my dear son. Who could talk about no one that no one who so who feel her no more. I dear chin, I bet trust now. Bonnie, Triswan, yeah, now we get papa. Yeah, you know, okay, so we are wine. Yeah, maybe why you so beer or why not so Mama Ghana couldn't be a cat. Stop a shadow bay. Because so quite bribe no na so mo say dia odema na so wani ade kan of another radio DPD so na ubu ni penu mate sana na so tu wani si education minister so aya why you say ka be papa na te na tumi edi na ti enya empire bo edidi papa na chinti no why na you say wa wunti no wo ta sa boss ya ni be tia ka Smart papa go tia ka for Ghana ka te dia mo di Ghana ti ka na yes bribe who Captain Smart or brother na Captain Smart brother finish of more Ghana who is that Captain Smart be a company within 8 years what be millionaire cause can see a good fee and then can see kunya can see which your friend is King Solomon the farm our Bible mun konya ho e no na mo sorry mun show mun di bonia dia anyure na na fama be papa manu the brand adu mo na mu da payroll thing na ye journalist for na NDC for tia mo ka Every weekly, every student monthly. Yes, we are more Captain Smart radio stations. But come 500 and something. And then this is what we are more the whole Ghana. Moana, Yenimuni, and Emra Nebaso, Emra Nebaso, what is? I'm going to say, Mukwamo, selfish interesting. Now, Kuala, Yama, Memoir, who are Mamma, Bra, Yen, Mobro, Yen, for Yen, Bianya, Meabdom, Yanya, Nana, who follow the force of Ghana. Na on first one within 20 years at least naka akwalebia na household every household bianya educated one person educated person you feel mama bibi e nenya wa treasure say me mama nem nanan papa mo there be onya sa me kan buy me kan radio and nothing see news no and me kan your friends a newspaper no enya sa na wo ye ya be ka kire mo na ye ntronte ta no enu nti na mo tin ketete Ghana da chen say because of munku amudie who Captain Smart there see yanko pompa ayesu fe no fa won cha woda ka wanya no man sakra margin mo ama Ghana ho antono se mo bedi ya bra Captain Smart unya sudie dia sudie unya bida owiase ya ba ya Mahama so ya friend is Catholic na fa Mahama Ghana for see ya power show dia wanya ye bia yes ya power show entry madachi entino Yapa chop Mr. Mahama, Pagana 40 ya one wing, what made this can be a so we have to be out of also. Yapa Mahama, when you're Ghana, who will Bushia. Maybe who December to tell a crown was for young one, who Ghana, not one dog Ghana, so big Ghana a year, not Ghana Dacha on it, Munya, no woman on their Ghana is Archie and I. Mahama says, maybe I know better than I know what people and said they want to be innocent. Already they say, Mahama co-pension in our best prison was a 2006 because of no majority. As a Shambra, the Ananka and Gracia near the Adianko Muji, Mahama said, because car whom be double no one dear. One double would the idea go to up to now, Sumbia is Yauka. 2018, Mahama or Assemblies of God for a program or any government to a jumo and ya buy a juman or for you yanka tebia a yape a yibi a friend is a company biaba my Ghana mutina former president Kodi and Nanka for negotiating my debut when the wow na wokoya wa dear would they are so for assemblies of God are so for Ghana big cow Sami Janfinin and Cross for year. First one was July 2018 and ya Ghana jumo Yaba Mahama etikiti on home $7,000 ye triamano ni plane ticket the hotel kwada okwa obe yusu as I said buying for US the koshia wam nom kope hotel on badaye ni nyina ya in the expense of Ghana government yaka so what I said onu tia 7,000 and even so dia 7,000 Krami janfu dia 2,000 Yomo keka hu didi su one Mahama bi mu keka hu 4,000 6,000 2018 July 2018 na October na Mahama kwa $16,000 ni $16,000 ebi 8,000 omo ni group no nom ko 8,000 ho keka bom a enye sika to oba no aba abeji ewo Ghana ban ho ye na na kufu ado aba ho ne e dia mawo ese wututu enu enu from ko ha travel to bi ebu aye be kwa kohwe no ne ye hu ba bia ye de efi enso wa ba abeji ne enkomo Mahama na waji o Ghana for nim because of we see a short memory ye nim dia cause MPP so mundi Ghana for ni ye trete nyoma boni e cause ye sra mo famra na Ghana for ye na muti ya pro MPP ban communication Mr. Yabuabia Sabwa ye sra wada uroma the position to me nya fama do betimi ayo ni pa na no ode otumi ya mo yire gu no swari e do be ye enti ya papa ye wo fa on monyamfo adwuma no se wo to me nya ebi mu de o ma ye ready mo nkomo mo no mo nye na sa anyoma we ye koso no because NDC for broadcast ye do mo ku dan ya coach wo mo every week bia wo de o mo bon tiama Ghana for tie ye coach wo mo o mo na ko fa nkrofo so pipi abrochire mo ko bi to ba mo Fiamu ye program nkoko gwasi a omo nkrofo no ene ato omo apete ene omo generating we no text messages no wasi obeka se computer we no omo ye no mato gwase ube bo nipa na abekwa ko hedi o hedi o do hwawi ni o eye dwuma omo tin ye the part of communication no omo ye dey say on mine no enti ya ka mo chow no kra no mo famra se se enya about ye kata bibia because NDC for your margin say on be di krama Ghana dia no kra bia be bia mo fam pie na Ghana for nku because am agro sanfo so am dia dia ni sumasi a no ma performa no ma be yi agumo so koba ni se ade e free rolling say this ade we buy na na juma kra du agia ana kuko buy no ti baby Wadia first lady Samuel Ghana because of reconciliation here be ye nti omo no anya hwe because omo kwan soja ban ne ade na odi betu wom obu ho dwane oko Ezra obu a woni hwe fiali mai ene ne family brother fa hwe ba bia na omote hwe ba bia na totally mai o hwe ba bia na ne yire mote tan be dan na omutim na ya areho ene o mampani kufu se ne yemfo omo meka ho ya fa budget bi mo na table so am call office no makwa akọje mo call office no makwa akọje e no do am count reconciliation no de ayi buzia lima yire ya friend is a champion mo yire mo na ade ade mo nyina de omo bekeka ho ni nyina na ni constitution because ya ye de da fi age ma kredu ene atame se yire na do so se na do ha no so na waji as vice president ni yire no waji bi to de na from the neje ekosi sa ya friend atame se be ya president ka ono so be ya Mahama enso yire be as vice president